What is up, YouTube? Let me ask you something. Have you always wanted to know how all the big YouTubers are able to do all kinds of special effects on their videos? Something like this thing? Or maybe you always wanted to know how I am able to argue with Bart and have Liz Lemon praising me all the time. You'll see that later on if you haven't seen it before in this video. Or maybe you want to know how to create these kinds of titles like you see down below over here, that kind of thing. All this kind of stuff and so much more. There's so many cool things that I'm going to show you, like for example, how to add music effects to your videos. I'm going to show you that we'll do all of that stuff. It's going to be completely free with free software. I'm even going to show you how it is that I am sitting in front of the New York skyline. I am in New York City, but this is not my view. This is just a picture behind me, but it's not an actual picture behind me. Actually, if you can really see it, it is simply a piece of green paper. And I'm going to tell you everything that I know and so much more. I'm going to tell you all about it. It's all coming up in my review of Top Affiliate Empire. Before we get to that, my name is Eric Hammer, and I am known as the man with the hat. And why would that be? Well, it's because I wear a fedora. Well, you know what it is pretty much everywhere that I go. I am one of the very few people that can pull it off successfully. Well, me and my buddy Neil over here. Now, if you are new to the channel, by the way, if you are not new, you know the drill. Go ahead and feel free to skip ahead. I know that my jokes can be as dry as, well, my mother's chicken.
Get away from me!
Yeah, kind of like that. Yeah, seriously, scary stuff. Anyway, seriously, sorry, Mom. I'm just joking. Anyhow, but seriously, if you are new to the channel, what I do here is two things. I review software and info products to make money on my niche. And why would I do such a thing, you might ask? Well, it's actually very, very simple. It's because I want to make sure that you don't end up buying a bunch of crap.
What a load of crappy crap.
Quiet, boy.
Bart, really? Every time? Do you know how irritating that guy is? All the time, yakety, 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 over and over and over again. Drives me nuts, you know? And now I can drive you nuts too. I'm going to teach you how to do that, by the way. That's part of what I'm going to be showing you. But anyhow, but seriously, I digress. If you are new, the way things work here, if I like a product, I will give a tip. My hat to the product creator. If I don't, well, better luck next time. Now, I also do a lot of videos here involving mindset and entrepreneurship.
Yes, he's an entrepreneur. He's very successful.
Well, thank you so much, Liz. I mean, you see, Liz is my friend. She praises me every single week. She says how wonderful I am as an entrepreneur. Anyhow, if you are new, make sure you go ahead and smash that subscribe button. Hit the bell icon to be notified when I drop new videos. So frankly, subscribe doesn't mean much here on YouTube anymore. Make sure that you like this video, comment down below. Let's get right into this. Okay, so we are looking right now. This is the sales page for Top Affiliate Empire. It's a brand new course from my friend Alessandro Zamboni. Alessandro has been testing this method out for a while. He recruited somebody who had never made affiliate sales to try it out, and his friend has been killing it with this method. It's all about making money by basically being able to rank videos on YouTube. Now, I'm not going to discuss ranking videos on YouTube with you because that's Alessandro's area of expertise. What I am going to discuss with you instead is how to make videos that are really going to pop, because that is something that I do know quite a bit about. You can see here, even in here, you can see, I don't know if you can see my cursor, and I can see that I'm in the corner here, and you can see that I still have the New York City background behind me. That is called a green screen. Now, you've probably heard of green screen. It's what weathermen use in order to, do all their fancy effects where, they're pointing to something on the screen and they're saying like, look, there's going to be a weather front coming this way. They're not actually pointing to anything. They are standing in front of a blank green piece of paper. Okay, that's all they're doing is standing in front of a blank green piece of paper and they're pointing at something. Now, what I'm going to show you how to do, this is going to be really, really cool. I'm going to show you how to go ahead and switch out the green screen. Okay, you're going to actually be able to switch it. Let me show you real quick. Actually, let me stop sharing my screen for a second so you can see, just so you can see here. Let's go ahead and stop the screen share for a minute. I want you to see this, but this is really cool. So you can see right now I'm in front of New York City, and that's pretty cool right there. Okay, but there's other things that I could actually do. So for example, if I wanted to, I could be on the bridge of the Enterprise like this. okay? Or I could be hanging out on a nice little beach like this one, and you know, I can switch back and forth to whatever I want, but I prefer the New York City skyline because after all, I'm a New Yorker. This is New York City where I am right now, even though this is not my view. Okay, and I can do all these kinds of things. And that's the kind of stuff I want to be able to show you. Okay, it's not just that. I'm going to show you all kinds of special effects, transitions, titles, how to add in all these little clips that I use with Bart and with Liz Lemon and all those kind of things. I'm going to show you everything that I know how to do, all these little tricks that really make a video pop. Okay, I'm going to be showing you all these little things and so much more. There's so many cute, cool tricks that I'm going to be able to teach you how to do. Okay, you're going to find out every single thing. And the best part is you don't need special equipment. Okay, I do have a green screen. Okay, to be fair, I do use a proper green screen. This is a professional green screen that I purchased, but you do not need a green screen in order to make this work anymore. It's not necessary. Okay, I'm going to show you how to do this with stuff you probably already have at home. Okay, and if you don't, you can go to the Dollar Tree and get the kind of stuff that you're going to need. Literally, you can get it at the Dollar Tree, or maybe for like $5 or something. But odds are good that you do have it already. My cats, if you can hear in the background, they're fighting back because they're upset that I'm going to teach you all these cool tricks, and it's going to cost you next to nothing. Okay, now how do you get all these cool tricks? How do you get all these bonuses? Okay, basically what you're going to be getting from me is my Tube Dominator course, which is my my first high-ticket course. People pay $500 a piece to get this course. You're going to get that for free. I'm also going to give you 10 ready-made YouTube thumbnails. These are high-end thumbnails. I'm going to show you how to edit them. Okay, that's going to be included for you as well for free with this package. On top of that, I'm going to show you how to create green screens that you can make completely for free with free software with stuff you already have at home. You do not need to purchase special equipment. I'm saying that again, you do not need special equipment. And I'm going to show you software that's completely for free. You can use on Mac, you can use it on Windows, okay? You can use it to create all kinds of cool special effects that I showed you before, where you got the transitions, you got the titles, you got all kinds of cool stuff. I'm gonna show you how to do all that kind of stuff completely, totally for free. I'm even gonna show you how to go ahead and use, where it says subscribe and that kind of stuff. I'm gonna show you how to do that also. I'm going to show you all that kind of stuff. It's all going to be included in my custom bonus that's going to be offered to you. Now, what I want to tell you about now, real briefly, is Alessandro's course, because Alessandro has been killing it online. Okay, now to be fair, he's also a vendor, so he does have his own list. But what's really cool, Jeremy Kennedy took Alessandro's idea, okay, and started using it. Within a few hours, he got 11% conversions and 3 sales. This is within a few hours. He tested it out with a brand new product that he had never done before. He didn't mail his list. He didn't do any of the usual stuff that you would think that he would do. He tested it out and he was able to get 3 sales within a few hours using Alessandro's method. So it's a really, really cool method. Okay. He also, Alessandro also recruited this guy, Luca, who is an unknown in the industry. Luca went and used it and was able to start making money using this method. Okay, so combine Alessandro's method for making money with my methods for making videos that really, really pop. And this is going to be like insane for you. This is going to be so, so cool for you because you can really make serious money online finally using these methods. I'm going to show you the members area over here. Okay, it's basically just a video course. But again, you're going to get the bonus stock. And again, it's going to have all these additional stuff that you're not going to get elsewhere. I'm going to show you how to get all these little clips, like the clips that I use of Bart or of Liz Lemon, or later on, you're going to see when I say you demand, stuff like that. All those kind of things, you're going to know how to get those things, how to integrate them, how to use them legally. There is a particular method for using them legally. Okay, you can't just use them just because those are copyrighted materials, but there is a legal loophole that you can use. I'm not a lawyer, by the way, so don't rely on my legal expertise, but I am going to show you how to do this legally, how I'm able to do this legally. I've been doing this for over a year, Never gotten a copyright strike because YouTube knows that this is perfectly 100% legal for me to be doing things the way I do them. And there's a particular method involved in using these clips that you must follow in order for it to be legal. You can't just use them just because. You have to use a particular method. And I'm going to show you the particular method that I've been using that is perfectly legal as far as I understand it. Again, I'm not a lawyer. Don't quote me as a lawyer. But I will also show you a video from an actual lawyer who's going to discuss what the legal method is for using these kind of clips. Okay, I'm also going to show you how to do the green screen. I'm going to show you how, I'm going to give you ready-made YouTube thumbnails that you can customize easily. Okay, I'm going to show you how to do all the titles and all the other stuff, and all with completely, totally free software, and completely and totally with stuff you already own. You do not need special equipment. Okay, I want to stress that again. You don't need a special microphone. You can use the regular microphone on your webcam. It'll work perfectly fine. Okay, you do not need a special green screen. I'm going to show you how to use materials that you probably already have at home. And in the unlikely event that you don't have it at home, you can probably buy it for a couple of bucks. Okay, seriously, most of you are going to have what you need at home. Okay, the vast majority of you will be able to find something that will work that you have at home. I'm going to teach you all that kind of stuff. It's all going to be included in my custom bonus that nobody else is going to be giving you. Like literally nobody else is going to teach you all these cool tricks, and you're going to be able to pick up this entire course. Check out the price of this thing. On top of the fact that you're getting an insane course that's going to teach you how to make money using YouTube for free, completely for free. Okay, on top of all that, okay, you're going to get all of my bonuses that nobody else is going to give you. My bonuses are worth their weight in gold. Seriously. Okay, people paid me $500. I'm not kidding. People paid $500 a piece to learn the methods I'm going to teach you. And you're going to get all this for 17 bucks. Literally $17 for everything. Okay, and you get Alessandro's course as well. This is an insane, insane bargain. But I'm not done yet. I do want to tell you, if you pick up any upgrade to Alessandro's course, let me show you something else real quick over here. Okay, let me pull this up. I want to pull this up. I want to actually show you this. This is what I'm going to do for you. This is insane. Okay, let me show you this. Let me show this to you. This is the funnel Rolodex. Okay, I have an account here, a long-standing account here that I've been doing for a very long time. Okay, now, let me see if I can pull it up here real quick for you, because I didn't intend to show this to you right away, but it occurred to me as I'm recording this video, I do want to show this to you. Here, check this out. Okay, so I offer here on the funnel Rolodex, I charge 25 bucks to make a professional video intro. Okay, something like these things. You can see a couple of them here. Okay, you can see these actual video intros. Okay, they're really cool looking. Okay, you get all these kind of special effects. You have all these things. I am going to give you 100% for free one of these video intros. All you got to do is pick up an upgrade to Alessandro's course. A completely free video intro. You can see I charge $25. Okay, and you can see I've gotten you know, dozens of orders. Okay, I still have orders in progress. Okay, seriously, $25, and you get it completely for free. All right. 100% for free. You're not paying 25 bucks. All you're going to pay for is one of Alessandro's upgrades. You get a really good upgrade, really quality stuff, and you're going to get this thing completely for free as well. That is what I'm going to give you when you pick up any upgrade to Alessandro's course. So let's go ahead and see if I am going to give a tip match to the product grade. You can see one of my other clips that I'm using perfectly legally.
You the man!
Yeah, seriously, you demand, seriously. Okay, Alessandro is really, really cool. And if you pick this thing up, you are going to be so cool. You're going to be so excited to finally be able to make YouTube videos that really, really pop. You can have a background like this, or you can go ahead and get a background kind of like this one right here. Let's go ahead and take another look again, just so you can see again. If you want to be on the Enterprise like this, no problem. Be on the Enterprise, okay? You want to be in a nice little tropical shack like that? Not a problem at all. You can do that. You want to be on the beach? You can be on the beach. Heck, you could even be in an office like this one, or it can be in something that looks a little bit dizzying, which I don't really like, but I prefer my New York City background. Again, you can switch out any of these kind of things. I'm going to teach you how to do it completely for free using stuff you already have at home. Go ahead and grab this one. This one's going to be so worth it. You're going to love it.